Hey Gen X creators, welcome back to the channel where we make AI simple, practical, and powerful for your creative journey. Today, I'm sharing the essential AI guide for Gen X creators. The tools, tips, and strategies you need to level up your content, boost productivity, and stay ahead in this fast-changing digital world. You know our generation's story. We grew up with cassette tapes, typewriters, and dial-up internet, then adapted to smartphones and streaming. Now, AI is transforming creativity again, and it's tailor-made to help us work smarter, not harder. This video breaks down the top AI tools every Gen Xer should try, explained in a way that's easy to understand and apply, no matter your tech comfort level. Let's get started with the first must-have tool, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. Think of it as your 24/7 creative writing assistant. Whether you need to draft emails, brainstorm video scripts, or even get help with complex research, ChatGPT can generate human-like text that sounds natural and polished. You just type in what you want, a blog outline, a catchy title, a marketing email, and it responds instantly. What makes ChatGPT perfect for Gen X creators is its versatility and ease of use. You don't need to be a programmer. Just talk to it like a colleague. This AI can help you overcome writer's block, make your content more engaging, and save you hours every week. It's like having a writing partner who never sleeps, who's always ready to bounce ideas or draft your next piece. Next up, we have Canva with AI-powered design features. You might already know Canva as the go-to online design platform, but with AI, Canva has leveled up big time. Now you can generate stunning visuals simply by typing a description. Want a vibrant Instagram post about your latest project or a sleek presentation slide? Just describe it, and Canva's AI creates a professional design in seconds. Plus, it automatically resizes your designs for different platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Pinterest, so you don't have to spend time adjusting layouts. This is a huge time saver for creators who want eye-catching visuals without hiring a designer or learning complicated software. Canva's AI features make it easy for anyone, even those who aren't design people, to produce content that looks fresh and professional. For Gen Xers juggling multiple roles, Canva brings creative confidence and efficiency together. Now, let's talk about Otter.ai, the AI transcription and meeting assistant. If you spend time in meetings, interviews, or calls, and who doesn't, Otter.ai can change your workflow. It listens and transcribes conversations in real time, capturing every word accurately. No more frantic note-taking or hoping you remembered key points correctly. What makes Otter especially useful is that you can highlight important moments, search transcripts, and share summaries with teammates or clients. Imagine the relief of walking out of a meeting knowing you have a complete, searchable record at your fingertips. For Gen X creators managing teams, clients, or complex projects, Otter.ai reduces stress, improves focus, and ensures you never miss a beat. Moving on to Zapier, the automation powerhouse. Zapier connects over 5,000 apps and automates repetitive tasks without any coding. Let's say every time you get an email with an attachment, you want it saved to your Google Drive and a notification sent to Slack. Zapier handles this automatically. For creators, this means automating mundane tasks like syncing calendars, posting across social media platforms, or updating spreadsheets, saving you precious time and brain power. Zapier's drag-and-drop interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even if you don't consider yourself tech-savvy. It's like building your own digital assistant who handles routine work behind the scenes. Now, Grammarly is an AI tool every writer needs. Grammarly is much more than a spell checker. It uses AI to analyze your writing for grammar, clarity, engagement, and tone. Whether you're crafting a professional email, scripting a video, or posting on social media, Grammarly ensures your message comes across clearly and professionally. The tool even suggests improvements to make your writing more concise and compelling. perfect for creators who want to connect effectively with their audience. For Gen Xers who grew up with typewriters and handwritten notes, Grammarly brings that level of precision and polish to the digital world, making your words shine. Next is Notion AI, your all-in-one workspace with a creative edge. Notion has been a favorite for organization and note-taking, and now its AI capabilities add a powerful new dimension. You can use Notion AI to brainstorm ideas, summarize lengthy documents, draft outlines, and even generate content snippets. Imagine having a smart assistant inside your notes that helps you structure your projects and sparks creativity whenever you feel stuck. It's perfect for creators balancing multiple projects or managing content calendars. Notion AI helps reduce overwhelm by keeping your ideas and tasks organized in one easy-to-use platform. Finally, let's talk about Personal Capital, the AI-powered financial advisor in your pocket. Money management can be stressful, especially when you're juggling family, bills, and planning for the future. Personal Capital uses AI to analyze your spending, investments, and budgets in real time. It offers personalized advice to help you save, invest smarter, and plan for retirement. For Gen Xers who want to take control of their finances without hiring a costly advisor, this tool provides clear insights and actionable steps tailored to your goals. Now, you might be wondering, where do I start with all these tools? My advice: pick one or two tools that solve your biggest pain points and focus on mastering them first. Start small. Spend a week learning one tool, integrate it into your daily routine, and notice how it frees up your time or boosts your creativity. Once you see the benefits, you'll be motivated to explore the others. These AI tools are here to make your life easier, not more complicated. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. These tools amplify your skills, reduce busy work, and unlock new creative potential. As Gen Xers, we've navigated every tech revolution, from landlines to smartphones, from floppy disks to cloud computing. Embracing AI is just the next smart step. If this video helped you discover powerful AI tools for creators, please like, share, and subscribe for more Gen X-focused insights. Have questions or want to share your AI journey? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your stories. For personalized AI automation consulting and to get started with these tools, visit evepacificmedia.com. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.